To clear your clipboard on your Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, open an app where you can use Samsung Keyboard. As the example, while writing in the Note app, tap the text field to show up the keyboard. Tap the clipboard icon above the keyboard. Here you can see all copied items. Tap the trash can icon. If you want to clear your clipboard but keep the spin item, tap the radio button next to reason. Or if you want to clear all items in your clipboard, including the spin item, tap the radio button next to all. As the example, we will select reason to clear the clipboard but keep pin items. Tap delete and then tap delete again on the pop-up to confirm your action. All items in the clipboard have been cleared except the spin items. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.